Hello Britain, tonight we're diving into the wild world of print on demand, or as I like to call it, capitalism with a side of tote bags. Ever dreamt of being your own boss? Tired of that soul-crushing commute? Print on demand might just be the answer, offering a low-risk, high-reward way to turn your creative passions into cold, hard cash. Buckle up, because we're about to break down how to make this your year for entrepreneurial domination. First things first, let's talk numbers. The print-on-demand market is booming. We're talking billions of dollars, folks. By 2032, it's projected to rake in a whopping $48.4 billion globally. That's right, billion with a B. This growth is fueled by a potent cocktail of rising incomes, internet addiction, let's be honest, and a thirst for unique, personalized products. The beauty of Pod? You don't need to stockpile inventory in your garage like some hoarder on a reality TV show. Products are printed and shipped only when a customer places an order. Less risk, more reward. It's a win-win, really. Now, before you go printing cat memes on coffee mugs, though let's be real, that's a solid market, you need a niche. This is where you get specific, targeting a particular audience with laser focus. Think about it. Are you all about quirky dog designs, inspirational quotes for the yoga-loving masses, vintage maps that make you want to pack a bag and disappear? Research trends, see what's hot, and find a niche that sets your soul on fire. Remember, passion sells, people. Once you've found your niche, it's time to unleash your inner creative genius, or at least hire someone who has one. Design is king in the print-on-demand kingdom. Your designs need to be eye-catching, unique, and scream, "Buy me," to your target audience. Think bold colors, witty slogans, and designs that tell a story. Remember, your product is a walking, talking, well, not literally advertisement for your brand. Make it count. Section 5. From click to customer choosing your pod platform. Alright, you've got your designs ready to dazzle. Now where do you sell these masterpieces? Enter the wonderful world of print-on-demand platforms. Think of them as the middlemen, or middlewomen, or middle robots, who knows these days, between you and the printing presses. Popular options include Teen Blue, Printify, and Gelato. Each has its own strengths, from product offerings to printing locations. Do your research, compare prices, and choose the platform that aligns with your business goals. It's like online dating, but for your entrepreneurial dreams. Section 6. Marketing magic, spreading the word about your pod products. Here's the thing. Even the most brilliant product needs a little marketing magic to truly shine. This is where you get to put on your digital marketing hat or hire someone who owns one. Social media is your best friend. Create engaging content, run targeted ads, and connect with influencers in your niche. Don't forget about the power of email marketing and SEO. Remember, marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, be persistent, and watch your sales soar. Section 7. The legal lowdown, navigating taxes and regulations. Now before you start rolling in that sweet, sweet pod cash, let's address the elephant in the room: taxes. As much as we might wish otherwise, the taxman always wants his cut. Make sure you understand the legal and tax implications of running a business in the UK. Register as a sole trader, partnership, or limited company, depending on your circumstances. Get familiar with VAT regulations, and keep accurate records of your income and expenses. Trust me, a little tax preparation now saves a whole lot of headaches later. Section 8. Scaling your pod. Empire tips for sustainable growth. Congratulations, your pod business is thriving. Customers are loving your designs, and the orders are rolling in. Now what? It's time to scale your empire. This involves streamlining your processes, expanding your product offerings, and exploring new markets. Consider automating tasks, outsourcing production, and building a strong team. Remember, sustainable growth is about making smart decisions that set your business up for long-term success. Think of it as building a sturdy castle, brick by profitable brick. Section 9. Ready, set, print. Embark on your pod adventure today. So there you have it, a crash course in the exciting world of print on demand. It's a fantastic opportunity to flex your creative muscles, be your own boss, and potentially achieve financial freedom. Imagine a life without ramen noodles. Remember, success in pod takes passion, dedication, and a healthy dose of hustle. But with the right approach, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a reality. Now go forth and print like there's no tomorrow.